All right, so here we have a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to be replacing the driver's front axle. This is four-wheel drive. All right, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is remove our axle nut. And we have a 36mm socket to do that. So we'll go ahead and get that off now. All right, so now that we have our axle nut off, we're going to go ahead and loosen up, take our bolts out here that hold the inside of the axle. I have a 15mm socket. All right, now we have the inner loose. All right, so we're going to see if we can get this axle out. We have the sway bar here and the sway bar link. We may have to remove that, but we're going to try to do it without that first. So go ahead and get our axle pulled down. All right, so here we have the axle we just pulled out. On this vehicle here, we're going to be putting in, this came from a salvage yard. So we still need to make sure that it's got all the same grooves, everything is the same length. You know, that everything is good, but we do have, Auto Parts Direct to You does have these brand new and available, but for this one, she's just trying to save some money on this car, so we're going to go ahead and put this used one in. All right, so we'll go ahead and get this placed in there now. All right, so I'm going to put this back in the same way. I kind of slid it back here. Around the control arm. Came out easier than it went back in, didn't it? Are you kidding me? Struggling with it. Put our bolts back in our mounting flange. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put our axle nut back on. All right, and retighten it. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put the tire on, take it for a test drive, make sure everything is good with our new used axle.